So the ideas that we were exploring were looking at the disabilities that are hidden, such as hearing loss and xerostomia, which is dry mouth, and ways of making those visual as a way of informing clinicians and making them more aware that these are conditions that affect everyday life.
Our research, the organs that we study, so the salivary glands and the ear, unlike the eye or the skin, they are quite hidden, and perhaps that hidden nature also influences the clinicians in terms of not quite addressing these as often as they should.
It's very interesting working with an artist because you start looking at things in a different light. As a research scientist, I found there's great benefit to doing this kind of collaboration. This gives you an option to sort of look at your work from a different perspective and sort of sit back and actually think about what it means.
This collaboration changed my approach to work in two major ways. In the clinical side, where I could improve my communication skills, and also in a research side, I could visualize my research in a different perspective.
One thing that we've learned from this project that we'd like to take forward in our future work is that sort of interaction with patients, to make sure that the things that we're doing are the things that patients can see an advantage in, and to get their feedback about our projects and learn from them about the problems that they're encountering.
Well, this was my first time I was working with a multidisciplinary team, and it was a great occasion to hear different perspectives of artists, scientists, medics on a common goal. So it was really about a team, about having a common purpose, something that could impact patients in an original and really challenging way also.
The benefits of an opportunity like this are wonderful because they give you an insight into a world that would otherwise be quite closed, especially to an artist. So they open doors for you to this secret world where all these amazing things go on in the lab.